3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because we will be deconstructing our two greenhouses that we have growing up on my roof. As you can see, here is the lowland greenhouse and this was the highland greenhouse, and you can see the tiles of the roof along the background there. And the reason why I'm deconstructing my greenhouses is because I'm leaving South Africa and I'm moving over to Australia, some of us may know. And obviously you can't leave your stuff on someone else's property. And so we just want to deconstruct the greenhouses. So stick around, I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, and just one more thing. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I really hope that you guys enjoy the content I produce. And I really hope that the information that I share with you guys really does help you to grow, cultivate, and look after your plants, and more specifically carnivorous plants. So let's jump right into it. So this is, or was, the lowland greenhouse, and some of us may obviously wonder, like, why don't I just sell the greenhouse or give it away? Well, I did try and sell it and nobody bought it, and I can't really give it away in good conscience because the greenhouse is, you know, quite old, kind of falling apart. Like you can see there's all this rust up here. This poles here have been broken and I had to support it with wood over here. As you can see, the actual, what would you say, the shelves are also all rusted, and you know, I don't really feel too comfortable giving this away because it's not really going to last the owner too long, and I genuinely don't blame people for not buying it because, as you see, it's falling apart. And I've also done so much other extra work to it, like opening up this hole here. These zips are broken. There's a hole there. There was a hole right here that I taped back up. The roof had a hole at the bottom, you know, just for extra ventilation and such. But I really don't blame anyone for not wanting this. As you can see, there's some aluminium in there. But yeah, I really don't blame anyone for not wanting it. And it's so hot in this greenhouse as well. At least it still works, I guess. Here we have the highland greenhouse. Okay, the highland greenhouse is basically all held together with these 17 millimeter, I think, size 17 banners. And all the bolts in the greenhouse all fit this size spanner, as you can see here. So it will be pretty quick and straightforward to deconstruct the greenhouse. All of the shade cloth is also connected to the poles using this how do you say, this rope? I'm not sure what the name of this rope is, but it's basically UV protected rope that doesn't get affected by weathering and all that kind of stuff. This should be quite straightforward. I do hope that it goes easily because I don't want to be outside for too long because I will get burned. And it's really, really hot today. It's going to be probably around 30 degrees Celsius, something like that minimum, you know. And I'll just show you the inside of the highland greenhouse. You can see everything's super dry, seeing as I switched it off. All of the plants that are growing on the ground are all dry and dead now. Let's get started. So I'm just setting you guys up here so you can see everything. And I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. Okay, now the greenhouses are ready to be moved. We're going to move everything that's up here downstairs besides the bricks and the tiles, because Obviously the tiles need to stay on the roof because tiles go on the roof. And yeah, this greenhouse I got as a gift from my mom. I had it since he was a baby. You know, it's this big. He grew up to a mid-sized greenhouse. Now he's extra big and now he's dead. Okay, so that is everything on the roof done except for the lowland greenhouse, and I need to do this very slowly because it's very awkward to hold. So I'll set you guys up here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see me walking across and struggling, and hopefully you guys can laugh at me. So let's hope I don't die. Apparently wasn't actually that bad. I'm gonna leave this here for now. I'm gonna clean up that side. Never have to go back up there again. Hey guys, so I was recording upstairs in that previous clip we saw and the phone overheated, so obviously the video got cancelled. But I've cleaned the whole other side of the roof. I never have to go back there in my whole life again. And I still have the lowland greenhouse up there, so I'm gonna try to get it down now. Okay, I'm gonna take this greenhouse and throw it over because I obviously can't take it down a ladder. Three, two, one. Wait. I thought it was gonna hit me on the back of the head as I threw it. Jeez. So that was obviously very anticlimactic. Let's see what happened. This is like old grass that had grown inside of the fabric here, but okay, so all of the material like ripped off of the side there, and the rotten metal here and here broke off. Jeez. I honestly thought that as I threw it, this bar was gonna hit me over the back of the head, so I hesitated because like, yeah, if I threw that and hit me in the back of the head, I'm gonna also fall with it. So I had to take a couple seconds to reevaluate my life decisions. This was the lowland greenhouse. And we're now on to better things. So I'm gonna put you guys down. That's about it for today. The rest is just me essentially cleaning up, taking everything outside onto the road. We have these people in South Africa who dig through your rubbish bins and like don't steal it. They take plastics like this and wood, and they make a really big mess, and they leave it like all the dirt on the road everywhere. And they take this dirt, like the wood and the plastic, and they like take it to somewhere and they get money for it or something. So I know if I leave this out on the street, within a couple minutes it will all get taken. So I'm just gonna take it all outside there and clean up down here. And I can tell you it's such a relief that I never have to go back up there again. Let me just show you guys this. You can imagine that, your hobby, you have to get a ladder, climb up the roof, climb onto the roof, over the roof, get to the other side, and it's super hot up there, and there's no water up there, no electricity up there. So I had to take electricity up there, I had to take hose pipe up there, set everything up, build stuff up there, no ground, very difficult to make foundation and stuff. And I can just tell you it's such a big relief now. I never have to go up there again. I've sold most of the plants. I have just these few here and a couple here and some others inside my house, which I'm going to be giving to a friend of mine to look after. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on the like button, and every week we will be posting something to do with carnivorous plants, growing plants. Just like today we just destroyed this greenhouse. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. You can click here to see a video that YouTube thinks is best for you. You can click here to view my most recent video, and you can click right here or down here to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.